When you're miles from civilization, your knife isn't just a tool, it's your lifeline. In 2026, the survival market has shifted toward ultra-tough, full-tang steel and specialized blade geometries designed for absolute reliability. From heavy-duty camp workhorses to precision tactical daggers, these 10 blades represent the pinnacle of modern wilderness utility. We've scoured Amazon to find the elite tools that offer the best balance of edge retention, ergonomics, and raw durability. Let's dive into the lineup. The Holtzman's Guerrilla Survival Congo is an overbuilt, full-tang beast designed for the 2026 survivalist who demands ultimate durability. This tactical fixed blade is engineered for heavy-duty camp chores and high-stakes survival scenarios, featuring a massive 7.13-inch clip-point blade, crafted from high-grade alloy steel. The compound bevel edge is optimized for deep biting chops and precision slicing, while the ergonomic fiberglass handle with high traction liners ensures a secure grip in any weather. A standout feature is the integrated survival kit, including a high-quality fire starter, making it a complete wilderness solution. It features a razor-sharp 7.13-inch blade and a total overall length of 12.44-inch. Whether you are batoning through heavy logs or building an emergency shelter, this knife is built to survive the absolute grind. The Freelander Outdoor Fixed Blade is a rugged tactical workhorse engineered for the 2026 survivalist. This modern fixed blade is built for heavy-duty camping and wilderness utility, featuring a high-performance alloy steel blade designed to maintain a razor-sharp edge through intense use. Its aggressive profile is optimized for both precision slicing and forceful chopping, while the ergonomic fiberglass handle provides a high-traction, non-slip grip in any environment. Whether you are clearing light brush or managing essential campsite chores, the full-tang construction ensures maximum strength and reliability under pressure. It comes complete with a custom-fit sheath, making it a dependable and agile addition to any tactical kit. It features an overall length of 11-inch, providing excellent reach and leverage. Despite its heavy-duty build, it remains maneuverable at a weight of 18.4 ounces. The BA-KOR BA-kl02 is an overbuilt survival powerhouse designed for the most demanding wilderness environments of 2026. This full-tang fixed blade is engineered for heavy-duty tasks, from processing firewood to tactical field use. Its American-style straight-back blade provides a massive surface area for batoning, while the ergonomic wood handle ensures a secure, natural grip during extended use. Whether you are hunting, fishing, or deep woods camping, this knife is built to be a primary survival tool. It features a formidable 8.4-inch blade, crafted from high-performance alloy steel. The overall length is a commanding 14.4-inch, providing incredible leverage for chopping and clearing brush. Despite its massive size, it remains balanced for a tool of this class, weighing in at 29.92 ounces. This comprehensive kit also includes a custom sheath, a cerium stone igniter, and a multi-purpose scraper. The Purple Dragon Tanto knife is a striking fusion of traditional Japanese geometry and modern tactical engineering, making it a standout choice for the 2026 survivalist. This versatile fixed blade is specifically designed for high-impact camping tasks, featuring a reinforced Tanto point that excels at piercing and precision slicing. Its dual-style aesthetic balances a classic profile with rugged, contemporary materials, ensuring it performs as well as it looks in the field. It features a 6-inch razor-sharp durable blade, crafted from high-quality D2 steel, known for its reliable toughness. The overall length is a substantial 11-inch, providing a full and ergonomic non-slip handle material. Despite its solid feel, it weighs in at 0.72 pounds. Complete with a custom-fitted sheath, this Purple Dragon is a relentless and reliable outdoor essential. Take control of every situation with the Cold Steel Counter Takai, a boot knife built for precision, performance, and unmatched penetration. Inspired by ancient Japanese arrowheads, the 5-inch US 8 stainless steel blade features to flat ground edges and a concave back edge, ensuring lightweight versatility and exceptional piercing power. Stone-washed for a sleek finish, this blade combines style and strength, perfect for any adventure or self-defense scenario. The Crayax handle is ergonomically designed for adaptability and comfort across various fighting styles. Its textured surface and double guard ensure a secure grip, even in high-stress situations. Whether in hand or tucked discreetly away, this knife gives you confidence when it matters most. Paired with a secure X-sheath featuring a removable boot belt clip and lashing slots, the Counterattack I is ready for concealed or versatile carry. At 9.5 inches overall and weighing just 4.6 ounces, it's the ideal companion for those who demand dependable performance in a compact design. The Gerber Terracraft is a rugged, full-tang survival knife designed for serious outdoor enthusiasts. Crafted in the USA, this knife features a 4-inch S3OV stainless steel blade, offering exceptional edge retention and corrosion resistance. Its drop-point design ensures versatility, making it ideal for tasks like wood processing, food prep, and shelter building. The black oxide finish reduces glare and enhances durability, while the high grind allows for precision cutting. One of its standout features is the G10 handle, which provides a secure grip even in wet conditions. The ergonomic design ensures comfort during prolonged use, reducing hand fatigue in demanding environments. It also comes with a premium leather sheath for convenient carry. Built for reliability in extreme conditions, the Gerber Terracraft is a knife you can trust when survival is on the line. Whether you're in the backcountry or facing an emergency, this blade won't let you down. The LionSteel M7 is a high-performance survival and combat knife, crafted for those who demand reliability in extreme conditions. This Italian-made fixed blade features a 7-inch Sleipner steel blade, known for its exceptional toughness, edge retention, and wear resistance. The satin, or black-coated finish enhances its durability and gives it a rugged look. With a full tang construction and a 0.2-inch thick spine, the M7 is built for serious chopping, batoning, and survival tasks. The ergonomic handle, made from either micarta or G10, ensures a secure and comfortable grip, even in wet or slippery conditions. The well-balanced design provides excellent control, making it ideal for both precise cuts and heavy-duty use. It comes with a Kydex and Cordura hybrid sheath, offering versatility in carry options. Whether you're tackling outdoor adventures, bushcraft, or tactical operations, the LionSteel M7 is a powerhouse that blends cutting-edge materials with expert craftsmanship. The Top Silent Hero 4 is a compact yet powerful fixed-blade knife designed for versatility in survival, tactical, and bushcraft applications. With a 4.5-inch drop-point blade crafted from 1095 high-carbon steel, this knife delivers excellent toughness, edge retention, and reliability in harsh conditions. The Sniper Gray coating not only adds a rugged aesthetic, but also provides extra corrosion resistance. One of its standout features is the ergonomic black micarta handle, which ensures a secure grip even in wet or challenging environments. The knife's full tang construction enhances durability, making it ideal for tasks like carving, slicing, and light chopping. It comes with a high-quality leather sheath for convenient carry and quick access. Built as a smaller version of the original Top Silent Hero, this knife is perfect for those who want a more compact yet equally capable survival tool. Whether you're in the wild or on duty, the Silent Hero 4 is a dependable companion. The Benchmade Anonimus is a premium fixed-blade survival knife designed for those who demand reliability in extreme conditions. Featuring a 5-inch drop-point blade crafted from CPM Crewware steel, it offers outstanding edge retention, toughness, and corrosion resistance, making it perfect for demanding outdoor and survival tasks. The gray Cerakote finish further enhances durability while reducing glare. Designed with functionality in mind, the Anonimus boasts a lightweight yet strong G10 handle with a textured grip, ensuring comfort and control even in wet or slippery conditions. The full tang construction adds strength, making it capable of batoning wood, feather sticking, and other survival techniques. For easy carry, it includes a Kydex sheath with a ferro rod attachment, reinforcing its role as a survivalist's essential tool. Whether you're in the wilderness or preparing for any unexpected situation, the Benchmade Anonimus is a high-performance survival knife that won't let you down. Tackle the wild with the Odenwolf W-Scandi fixed-blade knife. your ultimate companion for rugged outdoor adventures. Forged from a single piece of high-grade D steel with an impressive 60 HRC hardness, this full-tang knife boasts unmatched durability and resistance to wear. The razor-sharp blade, crafted with precision, ensures smooth performance for camping, hunting, and bushcraft tasks. Designed for tactical convenience, the knife comes secured in a polypropylene tactical sheath that locks your blade in place and easily attaches to your belt. Whether scaling trails or setting up camp, your W-Scandi knife is always within reach and ready for action. True to German quality standards, Odenwolf delivers exceptional craftsmanship for outdoor enthusiasts. With its ergonomic thermoplastic elastomer handle and sleek stone wash finish, this knife merges style with functionality. Equip yourself with the W-Scandi and venture confidently into the wild.